Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Nickix. In this video, I am going to tell you how to create a cookies in your PHP and how to create cookies as well as how to display cookies data from your cookies variables in PHP. So let's start with the concept of creating cookies in PHP. There is a function called as set cookie in which you have to pass two parameters. One is the cookie name, whatever name you want to give. You can say we can define as username, and the value should be John Doe. So set cookie is an inbuilt function of PHP in which two parameters are being passed. One is the username of the cookie, and the second one is the value of cookie that you want to save in that particular username. So I have saved the value of John Doe in the cookie name username. So I'm going to save this with the file as setcookie.php. Now I'm going to run this. So if I'm going to run this setcookie.php, we can just print a message over here, echo cookie set. So here comes my message, cookie set. I'm using a Chrome browser. If you want to check that where your cookie is being stored, you have to just click on this eye icon inside your URL. By clicking on an eye icon, there comes the two option menus, that is with the cookies, and the second one is site settings. You have to click on cookies, then pop-up is being opened, and here you have to just click on the local host, then your cookies, and here your username cookie is being created which have a content of John Doe. In this file, I have created a cookie name as username. So here username cookie is being created and the value of that is John Doe, that is created over here. So in this way you can just create a cookie into your PHP file. Now we are going to check how to display a cookie. So in order to display a cookie, there is an inbuilt function in a PHP that is echo $_cookie, and whatever the cookie name you have created in your earlier file, that you have to put over here. So I have created a cookie with the name username, and here echo $_cookie cookie is the inbuilt function of PHP. In the then followed with the log brackets, you have to specify the name of the cookie. So here you can specify the name of the cookie. I'm going to save this file as a readcookie.php. So I have created a cookie with the name username. So I need to pass here as echo $_cookie username, and I'm going to save this file as a readcookie.php. Now I'm going to just run this file. If I'm going to run this file, the value of that particular cookie is being fetched into my browser. So in this way you can just set cookie with the help of you can create cookie with the help of set cookie method, and you can display the cookie with the help of $_cookie. Cookies are the very important part of your project. Like if you want to transfer data from the first page of your website to the end of the page to the fifth page of your website, then you can just save the data in your cookie, and you can just transport that data into your any files of your websites. Also there is some more benefits. For example, you can store cookie on your browser on the permanent basis. On the temporary basis, you can specify the time of the cookie, like how much time you want to save it into your browser. Either you can save it like for the year, you need to specify the time as 365 days, as well as if you want to like save that cookie for just 24 hours, you have to specify the time at the creation of your cookie, that you need to expire that cookie after 24 hours. So in this way you can just specify or use cookies uh, into your project or any website. So this was all about cookie, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel for getting all the latest updates of PHP tutorial and many other technical languages. And my next video will be an example of cookie in which I am going to tell you how to set your remember me, you have to save your username and password in the form of cookies, so that whenever you are going to open a browser or a website, you can just your username and password should be auto filled with the help of cookies. So do subscribe my channel for getting all these latest updates. Thanks for watching my video.